Over a year ago, this product was announced. I actually ordered it with my own money just a few months ago. And after waiting for oh so very long, I finally have it in hand. The Ampere loofah. Oh, also I got the Shower Power Pro. Let's take a look. Hey folks, Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and yeah, I finally got the Ampere Shower Power Pro, and essentially what this is a hydro-powered Bluetooth speaker. There have been so many times I've seen the ultimate shower speaker and it suction cups to the side, or it fits in like the soap dish or something like that, and those are, you know, they can be innovative, but the problem is you still have to take it out of the shower to charge it. This will effectively charge the internal battery of the speaker just as long as water is flowing through it. Now in the packaging, aside from the loofah, I think that was just kind of a early purchase gift or something, but aside from that, in the packaging, you pretty much get everything that you need to install the Shower Power Pro. There are some instructions I do highly recommend that you check online, and you know, be patient. That's the thought of the day with this. Be patient, because you're gonna get wet, but it's worth it. It is a little bottom heavy, but that's because of the speaker itself and the internal battery itself. And you can remove the speaker if you want. And at that point, the speaker becomes the Droplet, or in my case, the Droplet Pro. And what makes this the Pro model is that it has RGB lighting, because that's important. RGB makes everything pro. I think we know this by now. No, but in reality, with the RGB, you can have it, you know, be a little bit more subdued and in a relaxed form where it just changes very calmly, or you could have it in party mode where it'll flash different lights depending on the beat of the music, or you can put it in temperature mode where it'll change color dependent on the temperature of the water. There are apparently some other modes that you can choose from with the app, but we'll get to that. With regards to the speaker quality, it's not that bad. Definitely could be better. There's not a lot of bass in it, but as far as the intended purpose goes, it works great. Obviously, listening to your music with the music and, you know, water hitting your head and everything else, sometimes it can be quite distracting, or you can't hear it all. Having the speaker directly in the shower above you and echoing off your walls, you can actually hear it very, very nicely. And you don't have to worry about it being too far away. I've seen some like bathroom speakers that you have to plug directly into the wall, but that's on the other side of the sink or something. So that means you have to turn it all the way up. Oh, not to mention if you have a fan, which by the way, you should have a fan, but with the fan turned on and your music, sometimes it's just inaudible. But this, not really a problem. As an added bonus, if you wanted to, you could even buy an extra droplet, an extra speaker, and you can pair the two together. So build quality, very good. A little fingerprinty, I'll give you that, but you know, I doubt you'll be touching it all that often. So good build quality. The sound quality, pretty decent sound quality. Battery life, again, not really something that you have to worry about. However, if you do charge it separate to the hydropower aspect of it, it does have a very, very long battery life. I got a loofah. I mean, what else is there anything bad about this? Yes, there is something that is unfortunate, and I don't know, maybe it's because it's still kind of early days, but it's the app. Ampere does have an app on both iOS and Android, and the idea behind this app is that you would have a little bit more remote control of your speaker and its internal functionality, especially with the lights. On the speaker itself, you have your pause, play, you can skip, you can increase the volume, lower the volume, and you can change the color scheme of the lights depending on the basic 3 or 4 color schemes that they have. But as I mentioned before, there are more color options that you have the ability to customize in the app, and I can't get it to work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I could reach out to Ampere, and Ampere, if you're watching, I could have reached out to you, but I'm looking at this from a point of view of someone that just bought it from your website because it looked cool. And the average consumer just wants it to work. And I'm still probably gonna talk to you after this video, but just letting you know, day one, the app doesn't work. The app was kind of a promise where from my phone I can preset everything that I want, and when I jump into the shower, it's going to be the temperature that I want, it's going to be the light scheme all of that. But as it stands right now, that's not the case. And the other thing is, I don't have the ability to initiate Google Home or Siri or anything through the Bluetooth speaker. There's no microphone whatsoever. You can't take phone calls while you're in the shower. I hope you don't, but this won't allow you to take phone calls either. And it's really just the speaker, that's it. The only other consideration I haven't yet come across is if you share that shower with other people in your household and you share that Bluetooth connectivity with other people in the household, it is very possible that if, let's say, my fiance is taking a shower and then I decide to listen to some death metal on my phone. I can't hear it on my phone. I don't know why I can't hear it on my phone, but then my fiance is getting blared in the shower with my music. I can see that being an issue, and I don't really have a solution for that except turn off Bluetooth on my phone. Like, that is the one thing that I came across as a wonder how that's gonna pan out moving forward. So at the end of the day, would I recommend the Ampere Shower Power Pro to all of you? With my experience of the app not working, the LED lights being kind of cool, and just, you know, the overall flow of water continuing what it's supposed to do, the speaker working out the way it's supposed to work out, I'm gonna go ahead and say no. I don't recommend the Shower Power Pro to all of you. It's $150, that's quite expensive, and it doesn't connect to the app. And while the lights are cool, you know, RGB doesn't make things better all the time. Sometimes, but not all the time. And in this case, for a $50 difference between the two, I would say just go with the Shower Power. The Shower Power doesn't have the lights, it doesn't have an app connected ecosystem or anything like that, but it still at least does the Bluetooth speaker, and it still runs 100% off of the hydropower connectivity, or, you know, plugging it in via USB Type-C. That aspect still works, and that's the aspect that drew me into this product. So if you had the choice, I would definitely say check out the Shower Power. Nevertheless, if you have any questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and that really helps this channel and all the analytics and everything. And yeah, regarding the channel, make sure you consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. We don't stream on this channel anymore, but we are over at Twitch, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. And for everything else, check out the Discord. Link in the description down below. You folks take care. Bye.